trippy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another skincare video. Yeah. Today's skincare Sunday video is all about probably not being uploaded on a Sunday, but also all about pumpkin. So every single product that I'm going to be using in today's video has pumpkin or some sort of pumpkin seed ingredient inside of it. I mean, I had to do it for Halloween and fall. Today's video is sponsored by Yensa. We're going to be using an amazing exfoliating pumpkin turmeric mask from Yensa. I love this, you guys. It's super awesome. Leaves my skin glowing and super soft. So look out for this bad boy in the video. I'm going to get all this jewelry and all this Cleopatra-ness off, and we'll start the tutorial. So, I'm going to be honest with you guys, could not find a makeup remover that has pumpkin in it. So I got a makeup wipe here, and I'm just going to wipe off my hard work. Now we're going to use the pumpkin turmeric mask from Yensa. I'm just going to smooth a thin layer all over my face, and it literally like smells like when you walk into like a Hobby Lobby or Michael's or Home Goods, kind of like fall Halloween smell. So I'm going to leave this on my face for about 5 to 10 minutes and then I will be back. Okay, so it's been about 5-10 minutes. I'm going to hit this with a little water. And I'm going to actually exfoliate it lightly back into my skin. I'm gonna go rinse this off with some warm water and I will be back. And now my face is officially softer than this pumpkin. So now I'm just using the Essence Pad from Too Cool for School to clean off anything excess on my face. I'm then gonna take the peeling pad, and this is going to help brighten and exfoliate my skin. Pumpkin's going to be super brightening, super exfoliating, and it's going to leave us with smooth, glowy skin. Now I have the Too Cool for School pumpkin eye patches, and I'm just applying the first step, which is the eye cream. I'm gonna put on the eye patches, which are huge. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this on for some time and then I will be back and we will continue the skincare tutorial. And I'm going to use this cute little guy from Elmis. This is their Superfood AHA Glow Booster. It's their Pumpkin Glow Concentrate. Was there supposed to be a dropper on this? I'm confused. For moisturizer, I have the Exfoliate Glow from Kate Somerville. Finally, the last step in this skincare routine is my Burt's Bees Pumpkin Spice Moisturizing Lip Balm. It smells spicy. And that is it, you guys, for my pumpkin skincare routine. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I can't wait. I mean, my skin's already looking super glowy from this routine. We love it. I love you. You're great. Thank you. Let me know in the comments below which one of these products is your favorite, and if there are any pumpkin products that you have tried out that you love, comment them down below as well. I would love to try them. Thank you so much again to Yensa for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next Skincare Sunday. Subscribe, check out all my other skincare videos and Halloween videos. See you soon.